Ang take ko dyan is overall perspective. Impeachment is quasi-judicial and quasi-political. So, yung mga grounds of impeachment, I think yung pinakauna is something to do about sa budget, and then at the same time may parts doon pinakulong niya si kidnapping of former President Duterte. The third is, I think, is the
Program appropriations and flood control scam.
yung una, yung drug use niya.
Yeah, alleged drug use.
Yeah. So I think on these three grounds, beforehand, before this came in, I think na-debunk na yan yung mga yan, especially yung kidnapping kay former President Duterte under the RA 9851, wherein in section 17, if I'm not mistaken, is that you can surrender. There's the option of surrender or
Extradition.
so yung option na ginawa ng gobyerno doon is since ICC is not a state, so the only thing they're appropriate is to surrender. In that sense, although nasa Korte Suprema pa ata yan, decision, kaya lang in terms of like getting back Duterte into or justifying in that it was a kidnapping or not, it's not up to the Supreme. I mean, yeah, it's up to the Supreme Court to say so. Kaya lang, wala na kaya nasabihin ng kidnapping yan, wala na ring, I mean, the country doesn't have any jurisdiction over the body of Duterte. Kaya lang, yung in terms of the legal means, legal aspects there, yung malabo yung grounds for asan na impeachment. Kasi sinunod lang natin yung batas. So, I think that's the point. And then for the appropriations, President can veto or not veto. Kasi yan yung trabaho niya So, ibig sabihin, lahat na ng presidente kung nag-veto or veto siya ng unappropriated
program appropriation.
Program appropriations. So, lahat pwede impeachable na yung action na. Natapos pwede yan. Sino ba pwede maging presidente kung ganyan din ang titira nila? Kasi what I'm trying to say is that one PBBM is very flimsy. Hindi siya in the legal terms, as far as I know, is very flimsy. So, good luck na lang sa kaya yung drug use na yan, debunk na yan
Wala na yun.
Even debunk na, wala na yun. And then, ang daming magte-testify dyan. And then, second thing is, pag dumaan sa, pag, let's say, sa Secretary General na pinasa kay Speaker D. It's up to Speaker D to translate that to plenary. And then, bakit sa part ng sa Congress is magiging political? Ang daming kaalyado ng ni Presidente dyan. So, sabihin na natin wala siyang kaalyado. Kaya lang, dun sa Committee on Justice, mamamatay siguro yan, I think.
Politika pong malinaw, sir.
Politikang malinaw. Bakit niyo po nasabi yan, ma'am?
Kasi naman po yung grounds po talaga nila about kay PBBM, parang po lahat base sa chismis lang po naman talaga. Parang pagbabasihan po natin, tsaka yung impeachment po ni BP Sara, Diyos ko, napakalayo naman po sa katotohanan nung kanila ibinibintang kay PBBM compare ko kay BP Sara po, di ba?
Ma'am, sa palagay niyo po, ano yung pinagkaiba nung kay VP Sara tsaka nung kay PBBM?
Kasi po yung PBP Sara, may malinaw po na ebidensya. Hindi katulad po nung kay PBBM na base lang po talaga sa chismis. Saka lahat naman inakusan nila is na debunk na po talaga naman. Lahat naman po talaga namang sinungalingan na lang po talaga. Di ba po? Parang sabi ko, bilang isang Christian po talagang hanggat maaari hindi tayo pwede magsalita ng masama against sa kapwa natin.
As much as possible.
Minsan parang ayoko na manood. Pero sabi ko, kailangan ko malaman yung totoong balita. Pero sabi ko, hindi mananalo ang kasamaan laban dyan sa mga kabutihan natin.